Hi everyone, I am Taner Akdemir. Today we will develop the upload multiple image component in React Native. If you want to ask any question to me, you can contact me with my LinkedIn profile link at the bottom. I created new project named Sandbox and also run the project. I will not use React navigation because it's not necessary in that project. Okay. Let's start with creating 3 folders, which names are, one of them is source, and second one is components, and the last one is constants. Yes, we created 3 folders. What mean that folders? Source folder is the main folder of the project. We will put components, constants, screens, store, library, and etc. Actually, you don't have to create that folder. I mean, it's not mandatory, but it's conventional in React Native world. Components are the modules that you create one time and use everywhere. I mean, it increases the reusability and maintainability of the project. React Native also has core components like view, text, image, TouchableOpacity, Modal, flat list, etc. You can read the document from the React Native documentation page you see on the screen. As you see that button, flat list, image, model, scroll view, and etc. These are the core components of the React Native. Okay. Also, we will use React Native permission, React Native crop image picker, React Native vector icons to develop upload image component. Constants folder will contain constants object like colors, URL, and images. A React Native project can be developed in 2 ways. One of them is class-based and the second one is function-based. We will prefer function-based developing because it's simpler than class-based. Also, React Native group suggests to use function-based development too. Let's go on to develop the project. And let's start with the constants. Let's create a JavaScript file which name is colors.js. This will export default literal object, and it will contain the colors 0000, sorry, and white is F, maybe gray, okay, or dark gray. Okay, let's say dark gray is 3333, and middle or gray, and for example, and light gray. Let's make it bigger. Uppercase, yeah, is 9. Also, maybe metallic gray and E9, EAEA, yes, this is the metallic gray. Also, dark yellow maybe for the buttons. And this will be FFD500. Okay, that's enough for us. If we need more colors, we can add this. Let's open the app.js. I will not use React navigation. I will not do screens because in that project just we will develop the image upload components. So we don't need any screen here. If we need a screen, we can create a new folder which is named screen folder. Okay, and Yes, upload image component. Let's clear it. Images container. Let's create view style is equal to styles dot image wrapper, maybe, okay, and view styles dot image. Okay, let's get it. Image wrapper will be width 100% and flex direction. Let's make flex direction row, and justify content will be center, and align items will be center too. I think this is good. And also maybe padding, right? Padding 5. Okay, let's create the image style with maybe 4 image is enough for us. So 25% is enough. 8. Let's make it. Oops. It must be number. Yeah. And border width 1. Also border style dashed, and border radius is important for Androids, because if you don't give border radius, the dashed style cannot be used in Android, cannot be seen in Android. Also border colors, not colors. Let's import color from source constants and color. Yes, let's get it and put it here. Also maybe light gray, light gray. Okay, light gray. Let's try light gray. Let's look at it. Yes, we can see it. So good. We created one of them. Okay, let's install React Native vector icons. Copy it. I will use yarn add. Also, you can use npm install. They are the same thing. The yarn add React Native vector icons. Okay. You can read all the documentation of the React Native React Native vector icons. It's written here React Native link React Native vector icons, but in the newest version of the React Native, you don't have to run that command because it's auto-linking. But I will I will run that command, and I want to show you an error. React Native link, yes. Also cd aws, yeah, sorry, pod install. Let's make it. Okay, we installed it, but let's run it again. I want to show you something. Also, it will get an error about TTF. Yes, as you see here, TTF is the problem after installing React Native vector icons. You have to clean the multiple duplicated TTF files. How will you do it? Okay, let's open Xcode. Sorry, Xcode sandbox here. And after you open the project, click the sandbox, build phases, copy bundle resources. Yes, you see the duplicated TTF files here under the copy bundle resources. Let's delete them and okay, maybe sign in. Yes, it will help me. Okay, let's go on. Let's restart Yarn iOS. Then we will see that no problem. No error will be occurred. Okay, once building the app, we are going to wait. I want to explain you something when we are waiting for the building the app. I will not explain the fundamentals of the React Native. I assume that you know the fundamentals of the React Native, so just I explain how to develop the upload image component, okay? But if you don't know the fundamental of the React Native, especially the hooks, especially the lifecycle, especially the core components, please read that documents before watching that videos. Yes, as you see that no problem has occurred here. Then let's import icon from React Native vector icons, also font awesome. Yes. And let's put icon name image, also size maybe 24 is enough, I don't know. Color, maybe color dot also gray, let's try it. And style, it's not important. Also image, in the image, yes, justify content, let's center, also align items, center, and let's look at it. Yes, maybe, okay, it's good. So we will duplicate them and we will show 4 of them. First of all, let's duplicate them. Then I will use them in the state. Let's look at it. And, oops, sorry. Image container. Okay. And let's look at the image wrapper. Padding. Just for content, image wrapper. Sorry, let's take it and okay. Let's width here. Oops. Okay. Now let's clear it. Get all of them. Yes, it became what I expected. Okay, this is so good. Let's finish the video here, then we will go on from the second videos.